Friday, October 22nd. And I'm actually off to South Jersey to help with a project that Bruno from Pond Pros in New Jersey had called me about. They are building a pond for a police officer who passed away, for his family, and there's a bunch of us going down there to do this together, so this can be free for them. So in the car, it's 4 o'clock, and I've got a 3-hour, well, hopefully, knock on wood, traffic stays the way it says now, and it's 2 hours and 40 minutes or so, which would be delightful. So we're heading on down, and, well, I'm heading on down. My guys are off working. I couldn't afford, unfortunately, to free them up, but I'll go give my hands and help it out. So I will be putting this one together and posting this on our YouTube channel, but we'll probably have bits and pieces of this going up somewhere for Bruno and the others. So you probably won't have this part, but let's keep watching. Let's see what's going to happen next. Hey, so the sun's coming up, and I guess I'm about 20 minutes from there. Ride hasn't been too bad. A little tiring since it was so early when I left, but just about there. I figure I'd give you a shot of the sunrise, which is nice, and over a bunch of the little bridges that connect all these areas down here. So hope you enjoy everything. Alright, so Tim's over there from Garden State Koi. Right now he's working on restrapping a boulder. The boulder is going to be picked up, and I'm assuming we're moving back in that area. So they've got some big material here. So theirs is more of a, yeah, it's a similar kind of granite, but it looks like it's got a mix of some sandstone in there. And the work area is back in that area.
Family of Brian McCoy. He was a state trooper and 9/11 responder who had passed away from cancer, and this is his wife Rosie, and she's done a lot, and Brian did a lot too as well for the community and for helping other people. And I thought putting an event together like this was great to give back. And I expected to have a few people join me to build this, and the response I've gotten is just overwhelming. And I'd like to begin by saying thank you for everybody that's come out. And there's nothing I can say that relays how much I appreciate it. So I hope I'm doing as much as I can to put this together as a good event for everybody. So hopefully there's a lot of people here I've known for years, a lot of people here that I've just met today. If you're just here for the first time, introduce yourself to everybody. This is a great network of people, of pond builders, and hopefully you guys can stay with the group that are new and learn a lot from each other. That's what we're here for. So first I'd like to introduce Rosie. This is Rosie McCoy.
Hi.
She'll be here all day.
I live here.
Yes. And there'll be more people joining us today too. So I guess you guys see what we're doing over here. If you have any questions, Timmy and I can answer your questions about what we're doing over here. But I think pretty much you guys are all figuring it out, what needs to be done as we go along. But if you need something to do, just shout out and ask. I'm just going to give you a few notes about what we're doing today. First of all, you see the porta potties over there if anybody needs a bathroom. Tonight, we're having an event at Josie Kelly's in Summers Point. If anybody needs directions or the address or whatever, it's called Josie Kelly's Public House. It's probably about 15 minutes away from here. If you're staying at the hotel, it's within walking distance. It's probably about a 10-minute walk.
It is a cash bar, and you can order off the menu, but I ordered you a lot of good appetizers, so we'll get you started.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. enjoy the day, and again, thank you very much for coming out and helping us out.
Alright, so progress being made. The pond is pretty well complete. They have dug out for the stream, and this is actually going to have a very deep stream that the fish can actually swim right up into. So 2 frame rocks are over there, and actually comes all the way through and ends up in here. But if I take you down, this area is just about done. Again, graveling on the bottom, some of the edge work right there. Tom from Aquascape Beach is just making sure everything's set. Lights are in, and they're working on finishing this lower area up so that we get this area all finished up this afternoon. Alright, so I didn't video, but we have washed the lower area down. Yes, and Franco's face is in it. So, draining it out, the guys are up here. Stream is set, and they're working on the wetland up there. Our modified wetland with road pipe. I guess we don't have vaults.
That's the 2022 Aquascape.
Yeah. Shh. Yeah, so making progress. Now we just gotta wait for the wetland to get built. Please, where's mine? Alright, so they're filling up the wetland. These are one of the big boulders in it. We've got a spillover to our waterfall rock to this little pooling stream area. They put a big log in it. Goes actually under this bridge right here. Again, more of the stream so the fish could actually swim up in it. And then the pond area. So guys are finishing touches down below, getting landscape lights in, planting, checking elevations. We've got our pathway that is going in, and right now they're working on trying to get this area finished up. Fingers crossed, hopefully. We have pathway here going into the garage where it's like a studio. 15 and right down to a wire. The sun has just about set. We're really trying to get this thing running for them tonight. It still has a bunch of work to be done tomorrow, but really wanted to get it up and running so they can at least see it. We are working hard at the moment. Again, the last thing is the wall, getting that put in right now. And then turning on, but we got it filled up.